During the setup of the FVO 400 indirect RC heater, go to the installation guide for details. I strongly recommend you use a 12-3 extension cord, no smaller than 12-3. And if you go past 50 feet, you're going to want to upgrade to a 10-3 extension cord so you do not lose too much electrical continuity. Pay attention to the decals on the control box. It tells you all the power requirements with the green indicator light. As you can see, you have a green light, so you've met all proper electrical requirements of the heater. It is safe to use on an electrical application. Now, one of the more popular features of the FVO 400 Indirect is our two 12-inch ductlets. It basically gives you the advantage of running heat into two different positions on the job site. You're simply getting in the bottom hole first. As you can see, once you get the pin lock in, it's very secure and safe. This is just a 25-foot ducting attached to it at the moment. You can go upwards of 50 to 100 feet as long as you don't overextend the bend or radius of the outlet. And we strongly recommend that you do not go use a 45 bend in the radius of the outlet. Hence, you'll have overheating issues and heat impingement, which the odd time can cause duct damage to the heater, but that's all in the installation guide and user manual. In regards to the F10 Riello burner, you can go different nozzle sizes from a 1.75 to upwards of a 2.25. Different weather conditions require a different nozzle and pump pressure setup, which is also on our technician's guide in the user manual. The biggest issue that we get are issues with our Riello burner pumps. There is a YouTube video out there that you can refer to in order how to unseize them. It is also on the Temp Air troubleshoot guide for indirect heaters. And strongly recommended. You're on a construction site, the heater has been running for 18 to 24 hours. When you unplug at the end of the day, please follow the safety protocols for shutting down the heater properly. The fan must cool the RC model down completely before it gets unplugged, or you risk electrical damage to some of the electrical components, especially on the fan motor. Does cause capacitors to overheat from time to time. Also, when operating the heater, please pay attention to the decals on the heater, especially the caution warnings. And when you get to the flue, please pay attention to hand placement because it does get very hot from time to time. If used inside, please make sure you have a proper rain cap and flue attachment so you are dispersing the CO2 high up into the air. This is an accessory unit. It is an add-on at the owner's discretion, depending on location. I know some job site locations do require you have a minimum rain guard flue cap of minimum of 5 to 10 feet, depending on job site conditions.